Now let's see expulsion of a partner. Now this is very important topic. A lot of questions are asked on expulsion. So learn this topic carefully. Pay good attention on this topic. Now what do you mean by expulsion? Expulsion means removal. It means to remove. So can a partner be removed? If you remember, when we were discussing the rights of partners, we said it is the right of the partner to be, to not to be expelled. He cannot be expelled. And then why are we talking about expulsion here then? If he cannot be removed, if he cannot be expelled, then why are we discussing here? It is because it is his prima facie right to be not to be expelled. However, he can be expelled if some conditions are satisfied. And what are those conditions? Let's see. First, power to expel exists in the contract. The partnership agreement, the partnership deed mentions the power to expel. If it is not mentioned, the partner cannot be expelled. Okay. Second, power exercised by majority of the partners. Now, this word here is very important. Till now, in all the cases we have done, it should be with the consent of all the partners. And now here we are saying it should be with the consent of majority of the partner. Majority of the partners should agree to expelling a partner. It should be done in good faith, not in private animosity. It should be done in the benefit of the firm. It should be done in the good faith. Not just because you have personal enmity with him. You do not have good terms with him. Just because you keep fighting on personal issues, or you have some animosity with him, or you don't like his face, or you don't like his style of or sense of fashion or clothing. You cannot expel a partner on these grounds. It should be in good faith. Good faith means it should be in the benefit of the firm. Secondly, you have to give him an opportunity of being heard. If you do not give him an opportunity of being heard, an opportunity of making representation, to present his case, to justify his case, then you cannot expel him. And if you do expel him, if any of these things is not followed, if any of these conditions is not satisfied, then the expulsion becomes void. The expulsion becomes void. So the conditions are: power to expel should exist in the contract. It should be with the consent of majority of the partners. It should be done in good faith, and an opportunity of being heard should be given to him. Okay. Once the partner is expelled, he always has the right of reinstallment. The partners can always agree and take him back. Now the question is, why should the partner be expelled at first place? Now the question is, why should the partner be expelled at first place? Now there may be a couple of reasons why partner should be expelled. It may be because of he might have committed some frauds like misappropriation of funds, embezzlement of funds, or he might have done accounting frauds. He might have given credits to some other persons, some debtors who would have given the money back, but he would have given credits to some other person. So these are the things, these are the frauds that he might have committed, which will lead to his expulsion. Or the second reason is, there might be some misbehavior by him, there might be some conduct by him which is wrong, like sexually harassing the employees or the related parties like customers and suppliers, or physically assaulting them. So such behavior cannot be tolerated and partner may be expelled from the partnership. Okay, so there needs to be a very strong ground to expel the partner, and once there is a ground, it is established that the expulsion is being done in good faith and he has been given an opportunity of being heard, then majority of the partners decide if he has to expel or not. But please remember that this thing should be mentioned in partnership deed. Until and unless the clause for expulsion is mentioned in the partnership deed, he cannot be expelled. And if he is expelled without following these conditions, the expulsion is void.